Alright guys, so we just drove 4 hours out here. Got Ausangate mountain behind us. Got the squad. Bri with 6 suitcases.
Are you serious? Sorry, I had to carry all his stuff in my backpack, so that's actually what happened.
Anyways, we're about to leave on our 2-day trek.
We just started our trek. Wish us luck. We are going up there on the other side. Llama squad. Man, look at that. Wow. Kevin, how you doing? Kevin, you slipping?
On the pole, get stuck.
Kevin's gonna do a slip inside. How you feeling?
This sucks. We started at like 14,800. We're close to 16,000. And we're just getting started. This is horrible. How you doing?
I'm living the life. This is dope, but it's hard. We are approaching the summit for the lakes. Wow. This last part was so hard. We're approaching. Woo! We made it!
Check out the lakes.
Woo! Yes! Check it out! Oh my gosh!
Made it to the first summit. Holy
16,100. Well done guys, we made it, right?
We made it! Oh my gosh.
I'm here with Efrain. He brought us to this amazing place. This is the tallest mountain in the Cusco region. And over these double lakes, blue and green, I'm gonna have him stand right up on this rock and just get some camera photos, and then I'm gonna put the drone up next to him.
So we're enjoying the views of the lakes. We shortened our trek to only 2 days, and unfortunately we screwed up because we were supposed to camp here on the first night, and we no longer get to do that. However, looking on the bright side of things, I have an apple pie and enjoying these views. Kevin is getting the most insane drone shots ever. And life is pretty good, even though this hike kicked off.
Guys, so we made it up to 16,100 feet. Now we've been hiking down for quite a bit, back down to 15,000. It's just horses, mountains, llamas, alpacas everywhere, tired Bri, exhausted Kevin. But this is a tough one. Up to 16,000, down to 15, up to 16, and just over and over again.
Still have like an hour and a half left, like snowing or hailing or something. Yeah, we have an hour and a half to our lunch spot and then another 2 whopping hours until camp. So, yeah. Woohoo! Look at this though. So dope. I've been struggling so hard today.
This sucks. We're getting hailed on. We both have horrible headaches. Can't really breathe. Thunder's going ham right now, and it's just getting worse. But we think we're like 30 minutes from our lunch stop. Hopefully there's cover there. We'll see. That's hail the size of BB pellets.
Update. It's really coming down. Oh, and it hurts. I'm like literally getting welts all over my body. Oh my god!
Do you want to tell me how you're feeling?
I'm feeling awesome, good.
I think you're feeling a lot better than we are.
These are actually so painful. Ow.
The hail has gone from BBs to the size of marbles. You can't stop because you get stuck. You can't move fast because of the altitude. It's just a field of hail.
Nothing like the sight of camp. Oh my god. This is insane. Poor horses.
We made it to lunch.
How many guys? How guys?
I don't know about Bri or Efrain, but I felt like there was 100 llamas with BB guns just shooting me up.
I have welts.
Oh, but the homies have been here preparing us lunch. Hopefully it stops by the time we have to keep going. Woo!
I got the other
So good.
This is Juca, guys. You look capture. Guys, please another chicken.
Stoked.
We even have a freaking toilet. Yo, how was it?
Yeah, I went in there and someone didn't flush.
That's not true. That's not true. I only went number 1. I didn't want to waste any water.
It's no water.
Have you guys ever gone climbing at a 60-degree angle at 16,000 feet? Yeah, me neither.
Until now.
This sucks. We made it to our second summit of the day. This is awesome because it means from here it's just downhill to camp. But it hailed, so it might be slippery. Bri, how you living? That's actual speed of how fast we've been moving.
We did it!
Woo!
We made it.
Yes.
We made it. That's the thing. War Bisayak. That's the altitude.
So, done over 6 miles, 170 floors. We started somewhere crazy back there, who knows. But tomorrow, we're going way that way to Rainbow Mountain. And we still have like half an hour to camp. But after camp, I think we're gonna have a 3:30 a.m. wake up call for Rainbow Mountain. Woo! We made it to tent. Destroyed. We've got a dope little mountain backdrop and I guess lake. There's no running water though. We made it to camp. These guys are unbelievable. We have our tent, one of their tents. That's a bathroom. And in here, it's gonna be where we have dinner. We're on a lake with this huge, huge mountain behind us. It's just unbelievable.
The guys that have been organizing everything, who are absolutely amazing, just proceeded to bring us hot water over here to wash our faces since we've had such a horrible hiking day. It's been amazing, but it's been so hard. This is Kevinisa washing his face.
Oh my God. Can't even feel my head. What is that?
A pillow. Wow, I don't have enough oxygen to blow this up. It's a pillow for you.
But we got some dope shots today. It was an awesome day. 3:30 a.m. wake up call. You stoked for that?
No way. Like, I just wanted to wake up.
We have a 3:30 a.m. wake up call to like a 2-hour climb. That's the funniest sleeping bag I've ever seen.
It's so dope, you don't even know how warm I am.
Alright guys, so we're up at camp. It's like 5:30 in the morning. They made us an awesome dinner and then knocked out. I didn't film any of it because I had a migraine all night. It snowed all night, thunder and lightning too, but we've got a few hours of incline, so we'll see how this goes. How you holding up?
Fine, I'm good with hiking for a while.
You okay?
Yeah.
This is our last hike for a week.
Kevin and I are dying.
Like my head and body are separate. So after feeling like we're already dead and we see Rainbow Mountain, we have to go to the top of that.
It's huge.
It doesn't look that bad, but it looks horrible from
It's so steep. Oh, it's so steep.
2 days overnight. We slept at like 15,765 feet. Made it to Rainbow Mountain. I think we're close to like 17,000. I've never struggled so hard in my life, but these guys have us breakfast at the top of the viewpoint.
Francisco.
Thank you, Francisco. And we're the first ones here.
This coffee is
I probably won't be able to hold this in the right spot, but trail is somewhere over there and there's hundreds of people coming up, but we made it. Alright guys, so my camera is still having some issues and my lens isn't working, so it lasted like 60 seconds. So we got our shots, now we're hiking down, but Bri picked up a squad dog, so now he's hiking down with us.
Yes, there. He's eating.
Squad dog.
Yeah.
So cute. So these belong to the village people?
Must be a lot of many.
But this is the touristic entrance to Rainbow Mountain. What did you call the people that take horses?
Losers.
How are you feeling? Are you glad to be finished?
I can't believe this. Fran, you guys are amazing.
Guys, you want a big piece or small?